Yo, what is up guys, K-Perfect2 here, and today I want to make a video too. We're going to be throwing 200 water balloons at an angry beehive. Wondering why I'm blue? I'm staying blue because we threw colored water balloons at us and the bees. So I'll show you our water balloons and then I'll show you the hive that we're throwing out of. First the hive. So guys, here's the hive. See all the angry fat bees around it? Ready to kill human beings. And then here's our water balloon bucket. Huge. Look at that. Oh,
dude, there's a bee like on my leg.
Oh my god. Alright, let's set you guys up on my dad's car. Here is the angry nest of bees. And let's get throwing.
Let's actually not.
Yeah. Alright, so guys, our white balloon, we'll start off with the blue.
Thatcher, do not throw it.
Yeah.
We're throwing water balloons at bees.
I'm throwing 200 water balloons.
Oh, God. Okay, we got it. Okay, guys, we got it. I don't know. I might be recording. Okay. Hey, guys, I've got my thing recording, and now we're about to start at the bees.
Ready?
No.
Not yet.
I mean, a really fat one.
Yeah, you throw?
Ready?
Set, go.
Go. Woo! Oh, God, they all just came out.
Yeah, here it is.
Okay.
Yeah, Jack.
What's this? Oh, frick. Oh, frick.
Oh, God.
Get one, Jack. Right in the middle. Oh! Let me try. Nice throw.
Woo! Got him with Jack here.
Watch this.
What's it?
Oh. What's this? 360. 360. 360 no scope. 360 no scope. Oh, God. What? Look how big I found this one. Guys, slow down. I hit the hive.
See, they're going crazy.
Where's the hive?
That's a slug.
That's where's the hive.
Look, I'll throw it right at it. There. I hit it again.
Just slow down.
Get closer, dude. Yeah, let's slow down. Slow down a little.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Did you see mine?
Dude, they're so mad right now.
Look how big I am.
3.
Guys, let's go get some big ones to be babies. I got some big ones. What? No, that's not. No.
Guys, ready for a double? Ready, guys? Double.
Watch me do a 360.
Boom! Bam!
Boom! Jacket! Jack, stop taking them. Hey, guys, this is awesome. Oh, God.
Oh, Jack! Guys, I'm gonna try to hit a wild bee.
Me too.
Dead on.
Oh, God! Last one right here.
Jack, don't get wet.
Oh, we're not. We're just floating them at the bees.
Stay right there.
Do we go get more? Watch this, Jack. Ready?
Bro, slosh. Now, look, there's a white water balloon down there, like 3, 4. You gotta grab all those, man. Grab them.
Thatcher. Oh, and do we go get some
I was eating
more water
water.
balloons?
Go down. Get down
Do
there.
we go get some more? I don't have any more. Why are there big ones there?
Sorry!
Why are big ones there?
There's 2.
Oh no, those are
There's one
and there's one right there.
Where's a bee?
Oh what? Oh, there's a bee right there.
Oh, I hit it! Let's go! I hit it!
Oh, how do we throw all the things? No.
Guys, look, there's literally a bee right on y'all's view. We're throwing it at them. I'm so angry, furious. Oh my god, guys.
What the? I want to look at this view. Oh my god, my hand! Ah! I want to watch it. Now watch it.
I hope you guys are liking in this video. Woo. That's it. Alright, let me grab my camera.
Whew. That was one heck of a video. There's one left.
Where? Yeah, I know. I'll get it down here.
Red one. Mouse, pass the red one. Pass the red one.
You better catch it.
Nice.
You ready? Go.
Guys, I'm waiting for a feed. I get white. I'll throw yours. Ready, set, go.
Yes, get there.
Oh, mine's still
Go.
alive. Mine's still alive. Go.
Go.
I'm waiting for V to pop out. No! Mouse, copies have the white one. I don't.
Yes, let's get a really close up on the tree.
Mouse, copies have it? Yeah. Oh, the blue one. I'll take that. I want the blue one. I have one.
So guys, that's basically it for today. I want to show you the aftermath of that. Oh, huge fat bee!
Oh.
Get him! Oh, on the outside, right there.
Right there, right there.
Oh! You almost
He
knocked-
just dodged that. What the heck? The bee just landed on my arm. I got freaked out.
Guys, look at the aftermath of that. Right there. Look at all that
I'll
crap.
get on my iPad.